again, my friends. Today is my 7th video clip, and I'm not going to bore you again with all this prospecting. Today I'm going to talk to you again about the 4 P's. The first one I talked to you last week is prospecting. And you remember the 4 P's prospecting? 50%, right? Equals to prospecting. Today I'm going to talk to you about what? Presentation skill. Now, what is presentation skill? Before you do any presentation, you must learn how to dress well. You must learn how to what? Sell yourself. You got to be sold out. When the buyers see you or the sellers see you or your prospects see you, you got to sell them everything. And how to do that? First, you must dress properly, shave, or be neat, and learn how to smile. And you don't know, if you doesn't know how to smile, buy a mirror. A mirror will teach you how to smile and get the best cutting of your smile. So whatever you do, when you smile at them, okay, half of your problems are solved already. So then again, you got to dress properly, and I said, comb your hair, be neat, and look like what I am doing now. Wearing a jacket, wearing a DWG tie, wearing a DW jacket, and I always be your shoes. Remember this, if you got to polish your shoes, you know you got a two-tone shoes. Now, if you doesn't want to wear a jacket, you think it is too hot, it's okay. Now, just wear, you see, I wear a white shirt and a tie. Now, don't you think it is still smart? See, I'm still looking good, I'm still looking smart, and again, you smile at them, talk to them, pretend. You cannot do, you cannot pretend to do anything. You got to be real, man, real. This is called dressing. Now, some of you say, the weather is too hot, Dennis Wee, I cannot wear tie or that. Okay, then you want to make it more easy, never mind. I tell you what then, you don't have to wear tie, then what do? You wear a DWG t-shirt. Now, a DWG t-shirt is also very neat. Now, I'm going to show you what is the DWG t-shirt. Look. DWG t-shirt, you still need smile at them, okay? Or it is better that you will tuck in, because what? When you tuck in, you look more professional, you look more smart. What I want you to do is you got to be smart. You see now. So the first thing is dress well. When you dress well, you sell well. Now, if you don't dress well, you look so shabby. People see you, they don't want to look into your eye, you want to look into they must look at you, they must always say that, hey, this is my salesman or not. So, now come to what? Presentation skill. Remember the word presentation skill, Now, I will say P-R-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Presentation skill. Okay, now. Again, how many percent? 20% of the bus. Why is it 20%? Now, first, to go and do presentation skill, you must, what you do, what you say and what not to say, how you talk to them, how you going to project everything, your high and low speech. You cannot talk at joining one note. Sometimes you say loud, sometimes you say a bit soft, sometimes you go on the one tone. Yes, it all depends on the presentation. Again, I give for example. Say for example, now, we talk about commission. Oh, you know, Mr. Seller, I'm going to do whatever it takes to sell a house. You know why, Mr. Seller? Because you got the 98% of your house share. I got 2% in that share, you know. So what's the 2%? That is your commission. But we don't say commission, we just say, I got 2% share in your house, right? So how you talk to it, and of course, your action. You will look into the eye. And the key thing is this. Keep your sense of humor high. You must make them happy, you must make them laugh, you must make them, so when they're happy, they laugh, they joke, they are more open up to you. Now, how to learn this sense of humor again? I advise you, please stop watching Korean movie or all the sad Chinese movie. You know why? Because my wife would watch Korean movie and she cried. She feels very sad. After dinner, when I come back home, then I see her crying. So I say, why are you crying? Because the movie is very sad. Then after taking a shower, have dinner, come back after half an hour, still crying. You know why still crying? Because of the movie. She's so emotional about that movie, of the Korean movie. Sad. So what you did now? So what did I do now? I said, stop watching all that movie. You watch Humor Zone movie. What is Humor Zone movie? Like Who's the Boss? Seinfeld, okay? You can watch Everybody's Love Raymond. That one is how to, Jack people. So you hear all these see and watch all these Human Zone movie, then take 1 or 2 sentences and throw it back to your clients. I give for example, when you shake a person's hand, you say, how are you today? Fine, thank you. Wow, your hands is so soft. Are you using Lux or Breeze? Just joke with them. They will give and they will joke back with you. So you must be more open, more relaxed, and be yourself. Like how you talking to your friends, how you talking to your brothers and sisters. So presentation skill, remember this. Don't be too serious. If you are serious, they are very serious. And when they are very serious, they will not let go all their steam. I want you to talk to them like, friendly, so that when you talk to them friendly, they will release all their steam. Hey, I need to sell my house today, Dennis Wee. Please help me sell my house today. So again, now it's already, I'm going to make short and sharp. I'm not going to bore you about this presentation skill. I want you to do all these things so that when all your co-broke agent wants to come and learn from us, bring them over, because this is also a very good, telling them that Dennis Wee Group teach you how to sell and not just motivation. It's all about sales. Thank you very much. I'll see you another week. Thank you very much.